every month when we have our training, we need to add it in our monthly training. So if you go to monthly training, 2019, you should get these guys, right?
It's coming.
It's a coming.
Okay, here we are.
All right, so when it comes up,
Yep.
you want to go up to edit.
I want to go up to edit, okay.
And you'll notice things look a little different, right? It's kind of like a online version of Office. Okay. All right, so what I do is I grab from bottom here and I select all this to here. See how I selected kind of like one line under and one line over each one? And I just Command C, I copy that over. You don't have to do it because it's probably we're both doing the same page right now.
Oh, okay.
And then Control V to paste it, and that created a duplicate.
Yeah.
And now it's just a matter of updating this text, right? So whatever next month's training is going to be, give it a little brief on what that is. The publication dates. I usually just add that so you know exactly when that video went up. The last thing is the video.
Yeah.
So this video is not obviously for this month, so I'm going to go edit snippet. And that's the code, and this comes from YouTube. So I'm going to show you in a minute, like basically where we get that code from in YouTube. But basically, yeah. So if we go to YouTube, and we go to our videos. Don't worry, I'm recording all this, so you know exactly where I went here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I forgot.
So, you know, even right now, that video we just made earlier for the lens and all that stuff.
How did that?
If I go to share, so share the video, and I'm going to go to embed, and that's basically the code for it. So take all that, copy it, and now if I go to our Epic, or the SharePoint Learning Center, for that video where I said edit snippets, we're going to replace it with the one we just copied over. And notice how it refreshed itself and it brought that in.
Yeah.
Click Insert. And voila.
Oh.
That's the updated video. So basically at the end of your training, you're going to basically include this guy. Cool beans? That's all it is, really. Oh, actually, no, it's not all it is. Because you gotta... Okay, never mind. Sorry, go ahead. Ask your question again.
So, the next month's training video you do, you're going to drop it into that one? Or
Yeah.
You're gonna make,
Remember
we replace it?
Yeah, we're going to replace... So,
I mean,
this,
you just did that one as a sample.
we
right?
took this, we copied it, we pasted it over here.
Yep.
And we're going to change the title to whatever the subject generally speaks of your training.
Yeah.
I usually put some highlights, like what that training included.
Of course you do.
To review the training, click here. This is a link. So in SharePoint, to update all these links, if you go here, for example,
You
see
had
how
to rename that hyperlink to click here, didn't you?
No, you can just say basically click here. I go to that link up here.
Okay. Oh.
And properties, there it is. That's the URL. So this is what to review the training document.
Is that how you do that?
So let's do this step by step actually. So
Yeah,
to view the video on this training, click here. That's basically, it should take you to YouTube, right? So I'm going to go to YouTube, and that's the link. So I'm going to copy that. I'm going to come here and say to review this training, click here. So I'm going to select that. Properties, and paste it. So that's the first one. The second one is the document. That's the PDF. And the PDF is also in SharePoint. So if we go to SharePoint over here, actually it's going to be somewhere in the home page. Once you have your document, by the way, you need to email to Kathy Moss. She's the one that's going to upload it to SharePoint because she's uploading it on her end, not in the Epic training. So if we do Epic training. See how she's got the March, the April, all that. And these guys are actually in the ISO files. So if we go to, here, let's actually go to the ISO files. So SharePoint. ISO library, operational training, and we should have, let's see, where is it? There it is. You see how you can see these guys? January, April, it's customer portal, that's February, and I grabbed the link. There's a couple of ways to do it. Like you can click the share button. That way it gives you the URL. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Come on. Share? Seriously? Alright, let's try list. Maybe it just doesn't like it that way. It's April. Copy link. So that's the link. I'm going to copy it. And for the link, actually, sorry, we'll go to properties, paste it there, hit enter, and just a reminder not to forget taking the validation test. But once all that is done, you click save, and you should see that change actually on your end too, by the way. In your case, you might want to just hit the back button so it doesn't save what you're doing on top of what I'm doing.
I didn't do anything.
Okay.
You told me not to.
Yeah.
At the same time.
So yeah, now those links should go to wherever we set it up to right now.